We shall now be looking at the trigonometrical ratios in the 4 quadrants. Beginning with the first quadrant, which lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees, the acute case. We have this figure representing the first quadrant, the axis, and then we have the line OP inclined at an angle theta with the S-axis. Assuming the value of this is S, and this will give you the radius, and let's have a perpendicular and call this the value of Y. Now, as far as this case is concerned, theta is lying between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. We can therefore write the sine of theta opposite over hypotenuse. The cos of theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And we can write the tan of theta. It is y all over s. You discover that all the trig ratio here are positive. All the trig ratio in the first quadrant are positive. Then we take the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, which lies between 90 degrees less than theta and theta less than 180 degrees, we will have our diagram changing position. This is our S-axis, and then we have the line OP has rotated, and here we have the value of Y remain the same, arrow remain the same, but the value of S is now negative on the left side of the 0. The value of S, as I said, is negative. In this case, our angle has rotated, and now we want to consider the acute equivalent of this, and that is to say our sine of 180 minus the theta is equal to our sin theta. And at this point, this is equal to your y all over r, and this is positive. Our cos 180 minus theta is equal to the cos theta, and that is minus s all over r, and this is negative. Similarly, our tan 180 minus theta is equal to tan theta, and this is minus y all over s. Again, this is negative. You now discover that in the second quadrant, only sine is positive. Therefore, only sine is positive in the second quadrant. Only sign is positive in the second quadrant.